What's up, everybody? We are finally staying at Aventura, and we're going to give you a little less clustered of a view of the room. So let's go in. And there's people in my room! Oh my god! So yeah, here we have the bathroom. How you doing? A little bit of a shower stall, and then you have the beds.
Where the magic happens.
Yeah, maybe in your life. And then check out that view. Now this is a standard Skyline view, so the Skyline is going to give you a very good view of Orlando, whether it's the parks, whether it's the city of Orlando, or whether you get very lucky like we did and get Volcano Bay. And look, there's somebody going down the slide right now. You can watch that from here. Coolest thing about it all, besides the teenager, is that everything is controlled by your iPad.
I just got that.
So we have the television and lights off. Let's go ahead and turn. We're going to hit that, and when I hit that, ooh, it's intelligent.
Wow.
And then we'll turn that on. And turn that on. I wonder how many people actually come in here and spend like half an hour like we are just turning the lights off and on with the iPad.
Or looking for a light switch.
Yeah, or look for a light switch. That's one thing I am kind of curious about. If you are completely computer illiterate, how does this work for you? I mean, it is pretty idiot proof. I mean, it really is, because it's got...
You're operating that.
Well, yeah.
Thank God for guided access.
But yeah, I hate you guys.
Love us.
But yeah, you have complete access to everything. I want to turn the TV off, so I'm just going to...
Don't turn it off. Money.
Oh my god. How do you turn the TV off? Oh, right there. Okay. Trying to look at a screen through a screen is not... But you have all the different channels that'll go right to it. Your volume control. You want to order in-room dining. You want resort dining. You can do it all right there. There's different services that you can get. You can buy your tickets right from here. Rent a car, set an alarm, request stuff. You forget your toothbrush. There you go. Internet and tools. Let's see. And there we are. You can even access your bill, which we are not going to do right now. So that's it. That is in a nutshell. Does anybody want to do the bed test?
Me. Move your legs.
All right.
And stay.
The bed test is to measure how comfortable a bed is.
Ow!
So it's not
a little hard.
okay. So there you go. Don't go plopping on the bed. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time.